Nagtatanim
yun.
ka ba ng galit?
Hindi, but
Never
hindi ako
ever?
plastic. Hindi ako plastic. If I feel ako siguro, kung ako lang yung offend mo, dead ma ako eh. But if you offend somebody I love, like let's say my mom or my dad, makita kita sa press ko, hindi kita papansinin. Sorry.
Maraming ganon.
I did that a couple of times. Hindi ako proud that I did that. But,
You were just being honest with what you were
hindi ako
feeling.
plastic. Hindi ko kaya eh.
In fact, that brings me to my next question. Did it happen gradually that, okay, I've reached this point, pwede naman siguro akong magsungit or magpakita ng dismay?
I realized that I have enough body of work to be able to say what I don't like, to be able to say no, and to be able to explain why it's a no.